Hello kids, welcome back to Shannon and Charlotte's playground. I'm a meow today, and look what I got. Ooh, what is this? Huh? It makes a sound. What's the sound? Wow! See the colors. What is this? Let's see. Shannon, come. What is this, Shannon? I don't know. I want to open.
Hello friends, it's me from Shannon and Charlotte Playground, and today, look what I have. I have this pin set. So first, let me show you all the colors. This is red. This is green.
Let's open it, Shannon. Let's open it.
Okay.
What's inside? I can't wait to see. What's inside? Wow.
Oh, there's so many. Let's take it out.
Wow, this is the board actually.
Yeah. And
This is the board. And yes, there we will work. And this is our pins. What are the colors, Shannon?
This is red. And this is green. And this is yellow. And this is blue. And this is light blue. This is orange, light green, and pink.
Again, Shannon.
Red, light green, yellow, dark blue, light blue, orange, green, and pink.
Wow. So there were total 8 colors here. And yes, this is our board. Shannon, take off the pins and Shannon's going to make something creative with this.
Yeah, I know.
Yes.
Oh, you have to twist it.
Okay, so we got the first pin here.
Wait, you have to open this so you can get open that.
We can't open this. It's stapled. Okay, no problem. Oh, so see, here are the bigger pins, round like this. Can you show, Shannon?
Yeah.
Like this. Round, big rounds. And these are the small rounds. Okay, what is Shannon doing here?
I'm gonna make a flower.
Okay.
Because they already make a boat. A flower is very easy because it has like much green. So
I think you will take 1,000 years to open it.
it's like you have to spin it. Oh, I got it. Oh my god.
Oh no. Okay, we do like this. 1, 2, pop it.
Pop it.
Oh no. It's too hard, this one.
Oh my god. Oh, I popped one. Okay. Oh, this one. Oh, it's stuck.
No.
It's popped it. I did it. There we go.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright. So whatever we got, we're gonna make something with that. Okay?
Yeah.
We keep it aside.
And you just spin these. Mine is very easy. Like, you just need to.
Alright, Shannon. Now let it be here, no problem. Let's make something to it.
It looks horrible like that, but it's okay. So first, we're gonna use. It's my first letter name. It's S, and my name is first. And I'm gonna do a heart because every drawing I do like a dress like that.
Okay. Quickly I have to do. Okay. Don't have all day.
Like all day. Like
So it's gonna put here.
29. Like 20. We don't have much.
Making S.
Making S nicely with a heart. With the heart beside. Because I always do that on my drawings. Like, it's doing knobs. It's stuck. I thought that every day.
Shannon, don't move it.
Gonna move it.
Okay, so we made our S.
Yeah.
So that's how we make. Wow, it's so colorful. So it goes, we give one here. So it's an S. Wow.
For many infrastructure.
Very nice. Now what else we can make?
Ooh, we can make we can make a little flower.
To make the flower, we just put it here. Do you have the spare one here?
Spare one?
Okay, we're gonna.
I don't have the spare
Almost
one.
our flower will be finished now.
So these are all the tuning knobs that we got. Tuning. Okay, tuning. You wait. Okay, wait.
Okay, I made a flower.
You made a flower?
Wow.
Good.
It's nice.
Yeah! We got some more tuning knobs here. Tuning knobs. Okay.
It's so much fun. You can make whatever you like with these beads. They are so nice and colorful. So this one is a...
Oh, we can make a house.
Yes, we can make a house. This one is a green button.
Oh, you can see that you can make a house by this.
This one is a red button. This one is a yellow button. And here we have all the colors. Shannon, show me what else we can make.
On the back it says...
Oh, on the back?
Yeah.
Yes. Show me what it says. On the back it says that we can make a flower garden, right? Show me.
Here.
Yeah. And what else? What is that?
Here?
Yeah?
That's a crab.
Okay, what is that?
That's a house.
House. That's a
Robot.
and that's a aircraft in that boy's
No, it's
hand.
an airplane and this is a helicopter.
It's very, very fun to make this thing, and you can make as many as you can. You can make a butterfly or anything that you like. No, Shannon?
Yeah.
So do you like this toy?
Yeah.
All right. So what you want to make?
I'm gonna make a house because it's really easy.
Yeah.
You just have to follow the rule on the back.
Okay. Okay, kids, I hope you had so much fun reviewing this toy with you. I also had a lot of fun. And Shannon, here we have Shannon.
Hi.
See you in our next video. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do it right now. Next time we're gonna bring more and more videos. See you then. Bye.